Hello, we're going to continue with the quiz. This is going to be quiz number 3, and we're going to be using aggregate functions or function with SQL commands. Use the min function to select the record with the smallest value of the price column. So we're going to say here select min and price from products. So it's going to be the minimum function from products. Here we go. Let's go to the next exercise. Use an SQL function to select the record with the highest value of the price. What is opposite to min is max. That's the highest value. And of course, I need to spell price correctly. And here we go. Then, now, use the correct function to return the number of the record that have the price value set to 18. So we're going to select the correct function to return the number of the record that have the price. Count is the number of the record from the products where price is equal to 18. Now, let's go to move on. Use an SQL function to calculate the average price of all the products. The average product, price of all products, it's AVG price. And this is going to calculate the average price of all the products. And let's go to the next question. Use an SQL function to calculate the sum of all the price column value in the products table. And here we go, we use the word sum, and it's going to be price is the name of the field. And here we go. All right, this is, we'll actually finish the exercises with the aggregate functions. We're going to go ahead and use the wildcard. So let's go ahead and use the wildcard. Exercise 1. Select all the records where the second letters of the city is an A, the second letter. Therefore, I have to start with underscore A because it could be anything as the beginning of the string or the city. And here we go. Then we must put then we call it the percentage sign, which is going to result with as many characters, 0 or as many characters as there is. Here we go. Select all records where the first letter of the city is an A or a C or an S. Okay, so this is going to be a bracket, A, C, or S. Okay, and it could be followed by anything that, as long as the percentage sign is right there. Let's go to number 3 exercise with the wildcard. Select all the records where the first letter in the city starts with anything from an A up to F, to an F. So we're going to use here the bracket, A dash F, close the bracket, anything between A and F. If I said AF without the dash between them, it's going to look for A or F. Of course, when I say A dash F, it's going to look through A through F. And here we go. Then we're going to do one more exercise with this area, which is the wildcard. Select all the records where the first letter of the city is not an A or a C or an F. It's not for selected letters. It's going to start with the caret sign, A, C, F, then you close the bracket. It's not one of these 3. It could be any other letters except those 3 letters. And here we go. Now, let's go into another area. So we're going to go to the N, and we're going to go ahead and start the exercise with the N. Here we go. First exercise. Use the in operators to select all the records where country is either Norway or France. No big deal. Use the in operator to select all the records where country is either Norway or France. So we're going to see here, select everything from customers where country in open parentheses, we're talking about here Norway first. Norway, all right, Norway, and close the comma, and of course it's going to be France, already written for us, and it closed the parentheses. So in these two options, which is Norway and France. And here we go. Let's go to the next question here. Use the in operator to select all the records where country is not Norway and not France. So we're going to say here where country not in Norway or France, where country not in Norway or France between the double. All right, great. Let's go to SQL. Well, we could actually stop here. I don't want to get a long video. We could do that into another quiz. So let's stop here and we'll do another quiz number 4.